How to boost the wireless signal for an HP laptop. If you are experiencing a poor or slow Wi-Fi signal, there are multiple factors that could be causing this. Follow these steps in this video to boost your wireless signal and remove potential factors that could be causing a poor signal. Step 1. Move the computer closer to the router. Proximity is a major factor when it comes to Wi-Fi strength. By moving your computer closer to the router or by relocating the router and moving it closer to your computer, you can boost the strength of the signal. Keep in mind, too, that walls, doors, and furniture can all interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Try to remove as many obstacles as possible between your device and the router. If you cannot move your computer and the router any closer, consider purchasing a Wi-Fi range extender. A Wi-Fi range extender is a device that you can plug into a wall outlet closer to your computer that enhances the range of your router. Step 2. Restart your router. Restarting your router can help improve Wi-Fi signal strength. The process for restarting a router varies between models. Some routers have a button located on them specifically for restarting. For all other models, an effective way to perform a restart is to unplug the cord from the power source, wait 60 seconds, and plug the router back in. After the restart is performed, the router might take a few minutes to provide a viable wireless signal again. Step 3. Update the router firmware. Checking for firmware updates available for your router and installing them is a good way to boost the Wi-Fi signal. These updates can help fix bugs and improve the overall performance of the router. The process for updating firmware differs depending on the router model. To update the firmware for your specific router, contact your internet service provider for specific instructions. Step 4. Disconnect other devices from the network. Having multiple different devices all connected to the network at the same time creates a draw on the available Wi-Fi, which does have its limits. This is called bandwidth. To increase bandwidth and signal strength, disconnect any devices connected to the network that are not in use. Step 5. Upgrade your router. Just like any machine, a router becomes slower with time and use. If you have an older router, upgrading to a newer model can help improve signal strength and overall performance. Contact your internet service provider to arrange for a new router installation. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.